in the... Hello? Are they gonna fix this plane?
You know, grit and spit and spit. A lot of spit and grit and stick-to-itiveness.
That don't sound too promising.
You're right. You're right. We're stuck here.
Hey, guys, as long as we're together, we'll be okay.
Yeah, but love ain't gonna get us home, guys.
Behold! The lion! Okay, there's much to see. Moving on!
Wait!
People! Hey, wait up! Stop! Hey, wait! If you stop, I'll autograph those!
You!
It's that bad kitty.
Fight! Give me
You want some of that?
You want a piece of me?
Round 2, fight!
I'm in Tokyo!
Finish him!
You think an old lady can't take care of herself? Next time I won't go so easy on you. Thank you, dear.
Moving on.
Are you out of your mind? We need their help. And you're harassing little old ladies?
Out of my mind? Ha! Who's out of my mind now?
See if you can get an operator.
No problem. Out of my mind. We're going home. So majestic.
Message E4. The
So
service user has
powerful.
moved outside of the
So
coverage area.
Bizarrely named.
Try again.
Please remain seated while the camera is in motion.
Oh, my. Whoa.
Am I tripping?
All those zebras. Like me. Wait a minute, where are we?
San Diego. This time I'm 40% sure.
I know this place.
I think it's Africa.
Africa?
It's gotta be. Our ancestral crib. It's in our blood. I can feel it.
No, it's more than that. It's like deja vu, like I've been here before.
It's like roots.
No, it's like deja vu, like I've been here before. How?
Me, Alex. Me and me friends.
Fly!
In great metal bird. Then plummet.
Smash ground!
Go boom.
Then, here, we emerge. We offer only happiness and good greetings.
Is he dancing about a plane crash?
Yeah, I thought. Sorry.
You mean you came from off the reserve?
Yeah, way off. From the Central Park Zoo, actually.
Don't strain yourself.
What's going on here? What's all this hubbub?
They say they're from off the reserve.
That's impossible. Only people come from off the reserve.
Look familiar. Do I know you from...
How could you possibly survive the hunters?
Hunters? We didn't see any hunters.
What are you looking at?
Me? Nothing.
This watering hole doesn't need any more mouths to feed. So just skedaddle back to wherever you came from.
Okay, well, is there maybe like a manager we could talk to?
Oh, I see. You're here to challenge me.
What? No.
Well, that's what it's starting to look
Hold
like
on.
to me.
Zuba, wait.
Oh, go on, woman. Don't you see what I'm trying to
Yeah,
take care
yeah.
of business here? And you
Zuba,
keep in it.
hold on. Alake? Is that...
No, it's Alex. Ix. Like New York Knicks.
Zuba, look.
Oh, I've always had that. The vet checked it out. It's really, it's kind of a beauty spot, really.
Mark.
All right, this is a little weird.
Honey, he's come home.
What?
You come home.
Whoa.
Son.
Dad? Mom and Dad? Mom and Dad? Mom and Dad?
Yeah.
It's my mom and Dad! I've got a mom and Dad!
My baby is alive!
Dad!
My son! My son is home!